Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Toure Abdel, the manager of our Objective Santé group. There are three departments. The first is our office. Our office, we receive all sick persons there. Second, we have a laboratory where you make medicine. And the third is our training school. And in our training school, there are five classes: the naturotherapy, phytotherapy, masotherapic, and bromatotherapy. So right now we are talking about how is built our laboratory. Welcome to everybody. We are in our channel, and right now we are going to discover our short laboratory in our training school. How is built our training school and what we do there exactly? So what is phytotherapy? Phytotherapy is a medicine, is a laboratory, is have a laboratory where you transform all the plants into medicine, all the part of the plant into medicine. So right now we are take verbila to our example. That example will help you to understand what we do in our laboratory, our short laboratory. So right now we are in our artisanal laboratory, our manual laboratory, and we have a verbena to our example. First, we transform our verbena into powder, and we work in our laboratory with that powder. We make herbal tea, tablet, oral suspension, and also, and we send them like a food supplement or food medicine or medicine. We are looking for healthy, so we can use the name you like, but after having that medicine, we have to recover that our mind subject. So we have all the ingredients we need in plants: alkaloid, tannin, erythrocyte, vitamin, mineral salt. We can find all of them in our plant. In our example, what we have to do when you buy our herbal tea, you have three behaviors. First, you can make a maceration. What is a maceration? We take our herbal tea, we put water inside and wait for a few days before you having that. The water in which we put the herbal tea become your medicine to recover. There is a second condition: you have to take water, the hot water, and you put your herbal tea inside. You will transform that water, that hot water, into a medicine, and when you drink it, you can't recover yourself. And the last test, you put the herbal tea in the water and you boil twice for a few minutes, and that become your medicine to drink in order to recover. That's the normal, the natural behavior in order to take care of ourselves with our herbal plant. But you have to know In our laboratory, we can transform into tablet, into drug, into oral suspension, and also. That's what we are doing here in our short laboratory, our artisanal laboratory, our manual laboratory. Thank you very much. And you have to know, here we have our training school. We are looking for you. If you want to, to practice the naturotherapy, to practice the healthy medicine, we are here waiting for you. Thank you very much. See you for the next video. It's the end of our final exam. Thank you to everybody who attend in our exam. Thank you to for our student Damal Brisa. Thank you for our teachers. Thank you for everybody who attend in as that final exam. It begins and see you for